Labedienne. Hallo. Hallo allemaal. I am Willem van Dijk. This Sunday I'll be bringing the message in Sloves Breznice in Kalmus. We're going to look at a concept that you may have heard. This is where we preach the law of sin will abide. It's from Romans 5:20, and we're going to look together at what Jesus did for us, what it means as Christians to be free, and how sometimes people try to push us under the law again. So 11 o'clock this Sunday, you're very welcome. Bring a friend or family, and God willing, we'll see you there. Bye-bye.